Hey YouTube, it's Andrew, the Bearded Giant. This is Tig, and this is Tig's handiwork. She knocked this off the ledge and broke it. So today I'm going to try to super glue it back together, and hopefully she doesn't do this again. Okay. Let's see how this works. I'm in luck. I have this little container of Gorilla Super Glue. Alright, I'll come back in a few minutes and check on this, give it a little bit of time to set. Hey, it's been a little bit of time and this has set up. It's not cured fully. They say it will take, you can see the crack there, they say it will take 24 hours to fully cure, so that's okay. I'll plant the plant back in here and put it back in the windowsill. Hopefully this little devil won't knock it over. So I used Gorilla Super Glue, the gel version, and I'll put a link in the comments below. If you go buy this off of Amazon using that link, I'll get a couple of pennies. It will help support the channel, and I'd appreciate it very much. Peace out, and go make something today. Oh, and Tig says goodbye. 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 Hey, look up, look up, look over here. Look over here. There you go.